This one is headed for the big screen.
Keep it in the middle now. Slide it to the left, right. Take 2 steps back and smack that clap. It's gonna be a hard year, so kick it in the high gear.
I think you're a creepy misogynist who gets off on seeing his talent get naked.
Kick it in the shins, kick it in the teeth, kick it cold turkey, then kick it underneath, kick it through the roof and kick it in the chest, kick it out old school, kick the thing to death, kick it, kick the curb, kick it, kick the can, kick it off the ledge here, MC5 sang, kick out the jams, 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 kick out the jams. The hollow man killed Tom Verlaine, the hollow man killed Tom Verlaine, like the vein in the arms of Venus, the hollow man killed Tom Verlaine.
How am I supposed to say my lines with this stupid gag in my mouth?
The hollow man killed Tom Verlaine, the hollow man killed Tom Verlaine, like the vein in the arms of Venus, the hollow man killed Tom Verlaine, the hollow man killed Tom Verlaine, the hollow man killed Tom Verlaine, like the vein in the arms of Venus, the hollow man, then they all sang. Kick out the jams, kick out the jams, kick out the jams. Kick out the jams, kick out the jams, kick out the jams. Kick out the jams, kick out the jams, kick out the jams. Kick out the jams, kick out the jams, kick out the jams.
Yay me!
The hollow man killed Tom Verlaine, the hollow man killed Tom Verlaine, like the vein in the arms of Venus, the hollow man killed Tom Verlaine. The jams, kick out the jams. Kick out the jams, kick out the jams, kick out the jams. The hollow man killed Tom